Welcome back. I'm opening a box of 2018 Contenders draft picks today. I've opened two of these when they first hit the market and didn't pull anything too crazy, so I'm hoping for some better luck today. Maybe a little cracked ice action, something along those lines, or at least some better prospects than the first two times around. After opening those, I felt kind of defeated and kind of backed away, shied away from opening more of this, but now I've had some time to think about it and the price is cooled, so I thought, okay, let's do this one more time and see if I can have a little bit better luck this time. So there are 6 packs per box, 18 cards per pack. There's going to be one autograph in every pack, so that is nice, and it's right there in the middle. Hazy, I forgot, I can hardly read these the way the light is. So there's a Mark McGuire draft ticket to 99. And first auto is a cracked ice, Travis Swaggerty to 23. So sweet. Ask and you shall receive. Not bad. Madrigal, Ozzie Smith again, Madrigal again, Casey Mize, School Colors. There's a lot of variety in this, so I don't think I'm going to read all of these out. I think we'll just focus on, I'll go slow so you can see the cards if you want to see the cards. But since this is not new and there are a million different inserts and a lot of cards, I think I'll just go through them and call out the autos and parallels and such. Alright, next up is Adam Hill, and this is also numbered to 99. This is a prospect ticket. It is a sticker auto. Well, South Carolina action. So that's nice. 2 numbered autos. Grenier. Grenier again. Lots of Ozzie Smith. Alright, pack 3. I about dropped it. Let me stack up my... You can already see the cards are piling up. I'm just getting started. Logan Gilbert. Wow, numbered again to 99. And this is on card. Another prospect ticket. So this has been a really good box. Sweet. Can't ask for much better than that. I mean, well, I guess you could. Every auto could be the top prospect in, prospects in the land, but sweet. 3 numbered autos, including 1 cracked ice. So could maybe pull another cracked ice. Does that even ever happen? Oh, I see something shiny there. It's not going to be the auto though, it's going to be an AJ Puck season ticket to 15. Now, I don't know what the status is on Puck right now. He was high, then he was low. I don't know, is he coming back already? I don't know. But yeah, super short print there. Next is Tyler Frank, and it is numbered again. Tyler Frank prospect ticket to 99. So far, every auto numbered. It's crazy. Crazy good. I don't know if you guys can read these names any better than I can. That's why another reason I'm not trying. They're right there and it's dark. Unless I have it in the light just at the exact right angle, I can't read it. So 2 more packs, so I'm super curious now. Are both of the last 2 autos going to be numbered? Place your bets. Now I kind of want to like push my auto aside and hide it so we can look. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let me set it back there. Go through the cards. Yeah, I wasn't gonna do the slow roll, but now that we've kind of got something to look for, I think I shall. Alright, let's see. Try not to drop it for starters. Bo Jackson, Frank Thomas. It is Connor Pilkington, numbered to 99. Prospect ticket. It is sticker auto, but still another parallel. Alright, last one. Man, I wish I could pull one more cracked dice. I know that sounds greedy as hell, but I mean, let me put that aside. Seth Beer, Jonathan India. Definitely a good lineup of prospects in this product. I'm not an expert on the rookies, but I know enough to know that they've put together some of the best names. There's Puck. Alright, last is, ooh, Robert. Is this? It is cracked ice. Yes, to 23 cracked ice. Yes, 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 yes. On Luis Robert. Yes. What a freaking box this was. You guys know I got to get this out of my butterfingers before I drop it. And look at it good now. Hang on. There we go. Ooh, ooh, ah. Wow, what a box for real. I'm glad I revisited. We got the Pilkington to 99, Tyler Frank to 99, AJ Puck to 15, Logan Gilbert to 99, Adam Hill to 99, Travis Swaggerty to 23, the Mark McGuire parallel to 99, and the Luis Robert to 23. Yes! Yes! Thank you, Jesus. That was a great box. Alright. I have got some surprises on the horizon for you guys. You will see that soon. I promised I was going to open some stuff that I've never opened on the channel before to break up. You know, it's kind of always the same old, but this is something that I've never touched. And probably should have already, and I don't know why. I just didn't. You'll see. You'll see when it gets here. But if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment if you have something to say. Take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll be back soon.